Yeah, we got U-turn too.
You did?
Yeah, I threw a much cat.
You ate the cat too and held the crickets in your mouth?
Yeah, you did the crickets.
How was that?
I've eaten that shit before. Deja.
All five?
We're missing green.
What time is it?
We're missing the green clue.
The envelope's here. Green done.
Congratulations, boys. You are the first team to arrive.
And that is a record time.
You have won $1,000.
Yes! I found $400 in my bag yesterday, so that's $1,000 2 days.
Congratulations. How do you guys feel?
I feel like $1 million. $700,000. Yo, we did the race in 20 minutes.
How did you do that?
No, there's no way that's
Okay, explain all of the things you had to do.
Okay. Is it grapefruit?
How did the race go?
It was great.
Yeah? So you came what place?
Second.
Yeah, how do you feel?
Good.
Did you have fun over the last 3 weeks?
Yeah.
Oh, it was fun, yeah.
What was the worst game you had to do?
Either the mayo or
The other, the fish
one.
Oh.
Yeah. I didn't eat for like a week.
Yeah, that's awful. First week, I guess, was the hardest on you guys. You made you eat all that kind of stuff. Well, congratulations, guys. Thanks for coming out. What were you supporting?
Soccer team.
Wicked. Thanks, guys. Okay, guys, you are the third team to arrive. Good job, guys. You have won 2 iPod shuttles. Are you guys going to speak or you mute?
Is it that hard?
Here's your one trick, right? Congratulations. Did you guys have fun?
Yes.
What did you do, the crickets or the cat food? Crickets? Who did it? These are your clues?
Clues, you guys are the 4th team.
4th team to arrive.
802.
That's pretty good. But congratulations, guys. You did an amazing job. Did you have fun?
Yeah, it was good.
Good, I'm fine.
Pretty short leg. That'll be the longest one.
We thought it would be longer, too.
I think that's everything I have.
You guys need to step off the mat to check clues. You guys are the 5th team to arrive. Good race, guys. You guys have your clues? Yeah.
What time did it?
Walkman, you are team number 5. So it doesn't count, this is team 5. No. Smash water. No, are we in the smash water things? Yeah, you're good. So these are the Mexican track. Good to team 6. Good job, guys. You guys are team 7. Lexi will just check your clues. 805.
You guys have your clues? Yeah.
You guys are team number 8.
How was the cricket?
Oh, it was gross.
Did you do it then, I'm guessing?
Yeah.
806. Day 10. You guys are team number 9.
Oh my god, are you gonna live? Are you okay, Tice? You want water?
Fast forward. Good job, guys. You guys are team number 10. You guys have your clues?
Yeah. No, not ever team. All of our the same.
Good job, guys. You guys are team number 11. Congratulations. Good job. You guys have your clues?
Yeah.
You guys are team number 12. Good job.
Oh, really?
You guys have your clues? Good job, guys. You guys are team number 13.
I also barfed.
I was like running. Good job, guys. You're team number 14. Moved up. Yes, sir. Yeah, you're
as the most spirited and sportsmanlike team. So you have both won a gift certificate to the bookstore. So what we'll do, we have a certificate for you. It's just, it's printed off and we don't have it for you yet. But we'll give it to Cam to give it to you guys. But you could buy some spirited Laurier wear for winning the award. So thank you so much for winning.
Alright, yeah. Thanks.
I'm sorry it's out here and not in the house,
It's really okay. Don't worry. Okay, thank you. Okay, we'll see you guys.
The third place we had Kurt and Bry. They were representing WLU St. Patty's Day. Yeah, St. Patrick's Day is tomorrow. They won 2 iPod shuffles. In second place, winning a gift certificate for dinner in the den for themselves as well as to 10 friends is Mal and Jessica. They were representing, you guys come on up here, we're going to get a picture. They were representing WLU women's soccer. So thanks guys for coming out. So we get a picture of them.